Hopefully we'll sleep in the night and wake up early morning. You look bulky in this. You had become bulky that can go. See, on thighs and all are proper.
Yes, from now onwards, there won't be any interruption. Okay.
Right.
So from tomorrow onwards, we can continue for 1.5 hours, 2 hours. Okay. So now,
But no, message भेजेंगे WhatsApp.
please mute. Please mute yourself.
हमारी चालू ये लेंगी.
Yeah. Yeah. So now, with respect to control structure, please observe carefully. So control flow is the order that instructions are executed in a program. So control statement is a statement that determines the control flow. So there are three fundamental forms of control statement. One is sequential control, which is very important. Next, selection control and iterative control. So sequential control is you are writing inside the program. Okay. Selection control is true or false. So iterative control means the loop. So continuously the function is running out. Okay. So we will go one by one. So sequential control is an implicit form of control in which instructions are executed in the order that they are written. A program consisting of one sequential control is referred as straight line program. Selection control is provided by control statement that selectively executes instruction. Next, iterative control is provided by iterative control statement that repeatedly executes instruction. So select means selectively, iterative means repeatedly, sequential means straight line, one by one. So we will go at one function. Before going to it, yesterday we have discussed about Boolean, true or false. So these are the true or false. I will share this slide. You can go. There are two types of operator. One is relation operator. Another one is membership operator. So membership operator means whether 10 in bracket 10, 20, 30, it is true. Not in means 10, not in 10, 20, 30 means it will be false because 10 is already there in 10, 20, 30. If you append not in means it is a false statement. Okay. So XY, this is X or not X. So you can go through the slides tomorrow. And there is a associative. Associative means it is a Python has a order flow how to run the program. Double star means square root exponential. It will take from right to left. Minus means left or rest all the addition, subtraction, greater, less, not, and or. It starts with left to right solving the program. But exponential means right to left. Please remember this. Okay. Now this from now onwards it is very important. If statement. We will go with if statement. The if statement is used to test particular condition. If the condition is true, then it executes the statement if block, or else it won't execute. So if the if statement is the simplest form of conditional statement, please remember this. This is the condition. So if condition, this is the syntax, very, very important. So this part is very, very important. Syntax. Okay. So if condition, and you have to give some indentation. Indentation means space. Very, very important. Space. Okay. Space has to be given. See here. So flowchart is if condition is true, statement will block and it will give the result. If it is false, it will restart. So there is a indentation has to be given. So Python uses indentation, no square brackets or curly brackets used. So I'm going to start with one program. If 15 greater than 10, you have to close end with the program with semicolon. Please remember this. The condition has to be end with semicolon or else it won't execute. So print 15, print end. If 10 is greater than 20, print 10 or print end. So whether you want to print 15 or end, whether you want to print 10 or end, We will see this in programming. So please observe carefully. I'm going to discard this. So I will open Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So if statement, same thing. So if 15 greater than 10, so observe carefully, 15 greater than 10, semicolon has to be done. Indentation, see, automatically it will take indentation. Print 15. Okay. Then print end. Okay. So print 15 or print end. So if I press shift enter, it will execute. See, 15 and it will also print end. If you don't want, it won't. Okay. So you will copy this same statement. I will write here 10 and I will write here 15. Okay. Shift enter. See, it won't execute because it is a false condition. Okay. So it won't execute. If 10 is not greater than 15, it won't print. So it won't execute.
For me, it shows 15 end, sir.
15?
End.
No, end.
Shift. Yes, correct, sir. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
Same. Sir.
correct. If it does not, it won't print. Okay. If 10 is less than 5, if I type here, now it will print 10 or else it won't print. Okay. So this is regarding if statement. I hope everyone has done.
Are coming in, in. It's going to the next line. It's running.
Hmm?
The program is not running. It's going to the next line. There's a star next to that.
Means you have to restart, check your internet and restart the entire Jupyter.
So a little bit when you glance this process, sir, once.
Which one?
Once you explain this process.
Which one? Which one?
Yeah, no, it's a statement, sir.
Oh. If statement, that's all. If 10 is greater than condition is true, then you will get the output or else not.
Okay, if 15 is greater than 10. Then it will be correct. If 9
Or
is
else,
greater
see
than
here, if it is greater than this thing, print end, or else you can type here print out of the command, and if you type print end, okay.
What is this end, sir?
Hmm?
What is this end? Be honest. End.
End means it is ending of the. You have to end the program, right? Or else it
Okay,
is
okay,
still
okay.
running. So you have to come out of the loop. If it is false, you have to type print outside the loop, not within. If you type here within the loop, it is still. It will show still it is under the if condition loop. Please take it back away from the loop. So it will print end because it is not true, right? 10 is not greater than 15. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here also, if you type print here, so take it away, print end. So it won't print end because 15 is greater than
Yes, yes.
10.
10.
Yeah. Understood? Simple.
Yeah, understood.
So it will print end also. See? It will print both because 15 is also there, or else it will end the program. It has ended the program. Here, it won't print a 10 because 10 is not greater than 15. Directly, it will end the program with this end. It won't run this if statement. Okay, fine. Everyone has done this if statement. I will go with if else. So if else, very, very important. If else. If else provides an else block combined with the if statement, which is executed in false. So syntax is if condition semicolon statement else statement. Okay. So take this program. So if 15 is greater than 10, print 15, else print 10. Okay. Fine. So I will go with the statement here. So if 15 is greater than 20, see, if I have not put semicolon, it will go with enter here. If I press this colon, semicolon, see, it will give some indentation automatically. So print 15, enter, else, semicolon, print 20. Okay. So if I press shift enter, say it will print 20. Why? Because 15 is not greater than 20. So it will print 20. Understood? If else statement. Everyone. Yeah. So I will change here 25 instead of 15, 25. So I will write here 25 and I will write here 20. So if I press shift enter, the answer will be 25 because 25 is greater than 20. It will print 25. Understood? If statement, if else. Okay.
But in Python is not coming, not coming.
Huh?
Python shell not coming.
What's up?
In Python shell, it is not coming. It's showing syntax error, invalid syntax error.
No, no, sir. It will come.
Sorry. Okay.
I will show, sir. I will show now. Sir, it is coming. See, print.
But whatever it is given, no. If 15 greater than 10, colon, if I enter, it will goes to that point only. From the
See,
below
sir,
I.
done. See, Python shell. If 15 greater than 10, semicolon. Semicolon is not given means syntax error will come. Print 15. Else print 10. So answer to be 15, right? So I will run this program. So I will first save the program. Okay. Then I will run the program. See, sir, answer came 15.
Yes, it is process.
Got it? It will come, sir. I am getting in Python shell. So I will write here 5. So I will save the program and I will run. So here it will come 10. Sir, it is coming. In shell also it is coming. Hello.
No, if 15 greater than 10, semicolon, if I enter, it will go into 1 minute. Print.
Here, sir, you need to open new file. Don't run in shell. You please open file, new
Yeah,
file.
new file only.
New file, it will come in another screen. Here you can enter if 5 is greater than 10, semicolon, print bracket open file, else print bracket open 10.
Yes.
Else semicolon
Print.
or else semicolon, yeah, or else it won't take.
else semicolon.
Oh, yes, because it is a condition. So please
It's
remember,
column, sir. Column.
if condition,
Column.
semicolon, else also is a condition, semicolon.
Okay, okay. Print 10. ಅದನ್ನ run save ಮಾಡಿ
Save and press F5.
then run. Now,
It's colon you are entering, sir. It's not semicolon. It's colon. Double dot.
It's colon, sorry. It's colon.
If you enter semicolon means it will error. It will take error.
Colon, sir. 2 dots.
2 dots only, no?
2 dots, colon. If 5 greater than 10, colon, print. Else, colon has to be there.
Sir, I am facing difficulty over here. If you type if 5 greater than 10, then we just enter this colon. After that, it will set automatic space. Then I just put
And you
bracket.
have to
Okay.
press enter and press backspace, or else it will come.
Yeah, this is
Or else it will
okay.
go in
That's
the
the
same way.
okay. But when I am entering this bracket, and again I have to enter this comma. Okay, single comma.
Yes.
Then to come out that cursor out of this bracket, what we have to do? Shortcut. I was just pressing right arrow key to come out of that brackets. If I am entering enter, then it is taking bracket to the next
End.
step.
You have to press end. End means it will go to this end. If the
Okay,
cursor is here, if you press end,
Please,
it goes to
background, sir. Please, background.
end, sir. You have to use end in your keypad.
Okay.
So everyone please understand, if your cursor is here, by chance bracket is here, if you press enter, automatically the bracket will come like this. Okay, I hope this is the issue you are facing. So please go with end. If you press end means automatically it moves to end. Okay, fine. Now I am going with the next one is nested if statement. So when one condition, if one if condition is present inside another if condition, we call it as nested if condition. So any number of these statements can be nested inside one another. So here also indentation is important. See here. So I will zoom this. Please observe carefully. So this is the statement. See here, print enter value of A. A is equal to integer input some value, print enter value of B. B is equal to integer input. If A is equal to B, print both the numbers are equal. Else, if A is less than B, print A is less than B. Else, if A is greater than B, print A is greater than. See, this is nested. Under if statement, else statement, again else statement, and if conditions are implemented, if conditions are implemented. So this is nested one. So one is equal to, else lesser than or greater than. Okay, so you can solve this problem. I will send this PPT to you, so you can type and solve the problem. So I will show this. I have done this. So the program. Okay, so I will copy this. See here. See here, print enter value. I will share this file, so no worries. You can copy and paste. So copy and I will paste it here. So please observe carefully. Print enter value of A. A is nothing but integer input, some value you will enter. So print enter value of B. So B is going to be input. So if A is equal to B, so print both the numbers are equal, else less than. So I will run this. So enter the value of A. So I will run A as 10. enter the value of b. I will run b as 15. So it will give answer as a is less than b. Okay. Same way I will again enter 20. Then I will enter 10. So a is greater than b. Again I will run this. So 10. Again I will write 10. So both the numbers are equal. See? So this is how one.
Sir, there are double brackets beside b is equal to integer input.
Yes, yes. It is
Three
double
bracket.
bracket.
What is that?
This one, right? You are assigning the value, integer value,
For every
input.
integer, yeah.
Yeah, integer. This is the statement.
Mhm.
Input, some value you have to enter means this value. Enter a value, it will show. So I can copy this and run in ideally.
Push automatically.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Usually input value will be given like this one in programming. So in ideally also, if I run and copy paste and run. Okay. So file, save, run. See, it will show enter the value of a. So 10. Enter the value of b, 20. So answer is a is less than b. Okay. So in ideally shell also it is coming. So no problem.
Can we try it once, sir?
Hmm?
Can we try it once?
It takes time.
All these values.
You
Okay.
can try. I will send the file. You can try it once.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. So this is one program. So next is if-elif else statement, means else if statement. So usually we call it as else if statement, but here in Python we call it as elif statement. Okay. So what is the use of this is very important. Please understand carefully. So sometimes there are more than two possibilities. So which one to be used? The chain condition execution will be such that each condition is checked in order. The ellipse is basically abbreviation of else if. Okay. So there is no limit on number of ellipse statement. If there is else cause, then it should be at the end. Okay. So we will see here. See here, test expression false, the body of else or body of elif. So syntax is very simple. If condition statement, ellipse condition statement, else statement. Okay. So elif condition is very important. So if condition is false, okay, then it will go to elif's condition is true. So then it will execute the condition, or else if elif condition is false, then you will go to statement number 3. Unless until the condition goes to true, it will run the program. So here is the program. So write a Python program to display the result. Okay, such that the distinction, first class, second class, etc. Okay, so print enter your marks. So m is equal to integer input. If m is greater than 75, print distinction grade. If m is greater than 60, print distinction, that is first class, second class, pass class, fail. See how many times ellipse is used. If this condition, if 74 is typed, means it is the value is first class. If 76 is typed, means the value is going to be distinction. So if you have put 29, the value is going to be fail because it will run from here. So 29 is not greater than 75. So it will jump to, it is a false. Then it will jump to elif statement. 60, it is a false. 29 is not greater than 60. Next, 29 is not greater than 15. Next, it is a false statement. Next, 29 is not greater than 40. It is a false statement. So else print fail. So fail is the true statement for 29. Okay. Understood? So it will run one by one unless and until the condition is true. By chance, if you have typed 49, 49 means you have to get the value as passcode because 40 to 50 is passcode. Okay. So it will check 49 is greater than 75. No, false. It will jump to elif statement. 49 is not greater than 60. It is false. Next, it will go to elif statement. 49 is not greater than or equal to 50. So it is false. Then it will lie is 49 is greater than 40. So it will print passcode because this statement is true. So it won't consider this else statement. So here only the program blocked, ended. Okay. So same way I have done the program here. I will send this day 3 programming. See here, print, same thing. Okay. So shift enter. It is running. See, it takes time. See, definitely it will run, but it takes time. So I will enter number as 49. So the grade is pass plus. Okay. Again, I will shift enter. I will enter number as 78. So distinction. Shift enter. I will enter 60. So first class. Okay. So this is how the program is going to run. So here you need to understand syntax. So this is input statement. Why I have started everything with input statement means you have to give the value or you have to assign the value, input the value. So that is why input statement, then all condition statements is going to come in any programming language. Okay. Next. So once this is done, if-elif. So if any doubts are there, tomorrow we will solve regarding while statement and while loop, break, continue, etc. So that 1 week, day after tomorrow is full of programming. Let us solve some of the programs, some basic programs, and this week is going to be complete with basic thing. Okay. So if you are having any doubts, please ask me.
Yes, sir.
So I
Yes, sir.
hope now if you want to show your screen, you can show the screen and tell where you are going wrong, so that I can help you.
Yes, sir.
I will
Shall I
stop.
share, sir?
I will stop sharing my
Okay.
screen.
Yes, sir.
1 second.
Yeah, I will share, sir.
Yeah, you
Bharat,
can
sir.
share, sir.
No, you have to allow me.
Yes, sir. You can share.
Sir, is the class over, sir?
Yeah, class over. Those who are having doubts can stay back. Those who are not having any doubts can leave.
So you'll share those programs, no, sir, on WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. Can you see my
Yeah,
screen,
I'm
sir,
going
now?
to share all my programs through the queries.data Jupyter. It will come.
Bharat, sir.
Sir, 1 second, 1 second.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So from tomorrow program will start, huh?
Sir,
From tomorrow the programming
We'll start, no, sir.
programming already started. Tomorrow loops.
No, sir. Yes, that's what I was.
Friday we will discuss regarding some of the programs. Okay. Friday.
Okay, sir.
We will revise the entire week's session and we will solve some of the programs.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Those who are having doubts, please stay back. Those who are not having any doubts can leave. Ashok sir, please tell me.
Yeah, I've shared the screen, sir.
Mhm.
See, if I go for file, rename, right? We said go for, see, when I enter like this, I'm getting, see, line input, how many credits do you have? Num credits, integer line. Line
No,
input,
sir,
what
no, wait, sir. See, now it has not opened correctly, sir. Here it is showing error. Error trusted. So it won't
I
run. It won't
Okay.
run anything. So
Okay.
please close, log out. Here,
Log
sir.
out.
File. No, sir. Wait. Stay on page. Click on stay on page. File.
File.
File. Open. Close and halt. Close and halt. Halt. Okay. Now you press log out, sir. Log out.
Leave page.
Leave page. Yes, sir. It is fine. Press close, sir. No problem. Press close. Hello.
Hello.
Screen shared went off, sir.
1 minute, sir. Hello.
Hello.
ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಅದೇನಾಯ್ತು. ಬಂತು ಸರ್. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes. Now you close that program loading page, problem loading page. You close, sir. Close. Close that. Close this tab. ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್.
ಇದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಹೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೋಮ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓಪನ್ ಟು ಜುಪಿಟರ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಇದು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಇದು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತರ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜುಪಿಟರ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದು
ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದಲ್ಲ. ಅನಕೊಂಡ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟರ್, ಆಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಅನಕೊಂಡ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟರ್. ಒನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್.
ನಾನು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಭರತ್? ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ಗೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್. ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನೀವು ಫೈಲ್ ನ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಫೈಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ನ್ಯೂವಾ?
ಫೈಲ್ ನ್ಯೂ ವಿಂಡೋ ಒತ್ತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನಂದು.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದಿನಾ?
ಫೈಲ್ ಸೇವ್
ಆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೇವ್ ಆಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ಸೇವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇವ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 2 3 ಹಾಕಿ. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು.
ಸೇವ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ರನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ರನ್ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಶೆಲ್.
ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್.
ಓಕೆ,
ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಾನು ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್.
So you have to type run module. Run module. F5. Okay. ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಭರತ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿದು?
ಅನಕೊಂಡ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟರ್ ರನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಅದು
there is an instance of Anaconda Navigator already running ಅಂತಿದೆ.
ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಜುಪಿಟರ್ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಲಾಂಚ್.
ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ. So, it will open.
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನ್ಯೂ ಪೈಥಾನ್.
ಒಂದೇ ಅದು ರೀನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ. ಟೈಟಲ್ ಇದೆ.
ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ವೆಯ್ಟ್.
ಪೈಥಾನ್ has stopped working. ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ರೀನೇಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅನ್ಟೈಟಲ್ಡ್ ಓಕೆ. ಅನ್ಟೈಟಲ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ 1. ಓಕೆ, ರೀನೇಮ್.
ಎರರ್ ಬಂತು.
ಅದೇ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಅದೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರರ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಎರರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಪೈಥಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೈಸ್.
ನಾನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ. Hello, anyone? Samir Nayak?
Sir, can you tell me what float again, if you don't mind?
Vasan?
Sir?
Any doubts from anyone of you?
Hello?
Hello, any doubts?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you repeat what's the meaning of float?
What do you mean of?
Float, sir.
Float is a decimal point number. 4.0, 4.21, 3.235. Pi value, if you want pi
so
value.
if we enter float, so we'll get output values as point values, 4 point.
Yeah, decimal value.
Yes, thank you, sir.
That's it, right? Shall I end it? From tomorrow onwards, there won't be any interruption. We can continuously have a 1.5 hour session from Zoom. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Yeah, thank you. Good night.